Hi everybody, welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. I am Yuri. Today I will show you how to make Japanese cucumber pickles. I got this recipe from my aunt, and she used to work for a vegetable shop, and she used to make many Japanese pickles. And my mom also making Japanese pickles at her home, but actually I really like my aunt's pickles. It's better. So I learned from her, and this is one of them. And it is easy, and it's kind of unique for you guys because it is soy sauce based. So I'll show you how to do it today. I'm showing this one frozen ginger, but you don't need to freeze it. I just keep this way, and I have this way, so I use frozen one here. I put all those ingredients in the pot, but don't cook it or boil it. Just heat it up a little low, and this is just for dissolve the sugar. So don't cook with it, just make warm up. That's the purpose of my pot using. You can keep in a jar about 7 days to 2 weeks, maybe a little bit longer, but pretty much long time, and in the refrigerator. So this is how to make Japanese cucumber pickles, soy sauce base. What do you think? It is easy, and I think you will like it if you are rice eater. So this is Japanese cooking lovers, and I am Yuri. If you like my video, please thumbs up, it's helpful, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. I hope I will see you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.